Good morning from the Celebrity Equinox, day 3. Today we are going to San Juan, but we have a few hours on the ship before that, so come along with us. Hi, I'm Carmen. This is Brian. If you're new to our channel and you enjoy travel videos, travel tips, and other travel related stuff, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any new content. So if you see the stuff behind Brian, I'll give you a better view.
That's fancy.
It is our 24th anniversary, so Brian decorated the room while I was in the shower, which is super sweet. And so we are going to celebrate our anniversary to the fullest on this trip. And we are going to head to the main dining room for breakfast. We did our little walk and workout this morning, so it's a little later in the morning, but we are ready to enjoy breakfast now.
We should have had our second breakfast by now.
Yeah, we should have.
We're running way behind.
We're behind schedule. We are in the main dining room for breakfast. We're over in a quarter we haven't been in before, but we have this amazing view out the window of the ocean. And it's really nice here in the morning. So we've done the buffet, but we haven't done this for breakfast. And here is the menu today. Got lots of options, including to order omelets, all kinds of things, and a lot of different sides. Got a veggie omelet, some tomato, mushrooms, and bacon, and some slightly burnt gluten-free toast. It's not too bad. And Brian also got a veggie omelet, hash browns,
smoked salmon in it though.
Oh, smoked salmon, nice. And then also the mushrooms. So we're gonna dig in and enjoy this. I think we both really enjoyed our breakfast in the formal dining room. The thing is we could have gotten almost exactly the same food at the buffet, and it would have been way faster. So I think for us, just the kind of people we are, we love dining in the main dining room at night, but I think for breakfast we're going to stick to either the buffet or room service. One nice thing is this ship has free room service, unlimited, so we may do that one morning as well. This ocean view area right behind the buffet I think has quickly become our favorite hangout. It's aft on the ship, and so there's very little wind and it's just beautiful, and for some reason there's always somewhere to sit here. We haven't been out here when, you know, it's been completely packed. Since we are going to a port today and going to be doing a bunch of walking, and we also did our workouts this morning, we decided to take a nice chill day today. You feeling pretty chill?
Living our best life.
We're living our best life. This is nice. And the pool is right behind us, and they're about to start a Zumba class, so I'll film that in a minute. I'm not doing any Zumba in the heat out in the sun. And we have this gorgeous, gorgeous view.
Back, hips to the pool again. Right foot for 2, left foot for 2, then V-step front, back, hips to the side, left.
We have moved to the Sky Lounge. I think this is my favorite spot. And did you say this is the one that when they renovate the ships, they get rid of this?
Or shrink it down.
Or shrink it? I think this is one of my favorite spaces on the whole ship. And I don't know if it'll show up on the video, but right up here, there's all these birds just coasting right in front of the boat. And there's this really kind of relaxing music. It's just really nice. We just never get tired of looking at the ocean. This is awesome. We're up here on the deck with the grass, and they are showing Casablanca today. Pretty cool. Also, something very, very unique is they have hot glass making class. Pretty cool. We have now come to the top back of the ship. We're just walking around this morning. Are you having a good time?
Having a great time.
It's an awesome time. I will say this is so much more relaxing vacation than our typical fare, which for me is for some reason a little hard to get used to. I'm used to go, 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 and this is definitely a lot more chill than that. We went to the buffet and I've completely lost Brian, but here's my food. I got salmon, I got turkey, rice, and sweet potatoes and green beans. We are taking a little break in our room and we have come out to the balcony. We have white caps for the first time since we've been on this cruise. And you can feel the boat move a little more, but not a whole lot. I don't think it will show up at this point, but we can actually see what we're assuming is Puerto Rico, since that's where we're headed. It's pretty much straight ahead. It's in the clouds. If it wasn't hazy, I think it would show up better. They made a ship-wide announcement and said soon we'll be able to see the pilot ship come up on our side of the boat. Now, since the boat juts out right up there, I don't know if we'll be able to see it or not, but that would be cool. And we can definitely, with the naked eye, see buildings and stuff. I don't think it will show up on the film, but pretty neat. For both of us, it's our first time ever coming into an island, in this manner anyway. We can actually see the fort, which is one of the things we're going to try to do straight ahead. That's pretty exciting. We can barely see that pilot ship coming out, and the fort is starting to come into view a little bit better. Exciting!
And here we go. Here is the pilot ship for the port of San Juan.
The pilot ship is leaving. They've dropped him off. Pretty cool. We left our room and came down to the 5th level, and we can see the fort clearly now, as well as the rest of San Juan. Very cool. I can't wait. This is so exciting. Boy, you get a spectacular view of this fort from the ocean as you come in. Amazing. U.S. Coast Guard. I can see someone up there in the captain's tower, maybe the captain. And we are pulling in right now. We moved over to the other side so that we could watch them tie off. They've thrown the rope down. There's the big group. Looks like we did it. We just dropped one of the gangways out. That's pretty neat. We just finished disembarking in Puerto Rico. Looking back towards the ship looks so awesome. Beautiful. I can't believe how big it is. Here's the I Love Puerto Rico sign with our ship in the background. How awesome is that? Here we are at the awesome I Love Puerto Rico sign. We are making our way up the hill to the fort right now from the cruise ship. There's a statue. It says Puerto Rico Cristobal Colon. We are almost there. It's just a super short walk. Like if I hadn't stopped to film on the way, I think that would have been a 5-minute walk. All right, I feel like we've hiked straight up a hill, but we have made it. Here we go. We're gonna go in and check this out. Wow, this is incredible. Definitely highly recommend coming here. Here we are at what I think is the highest point, except for right over there, which I don't think we can get up there. Way up at the top, what a view. It is definitely a lot cooler in here. This is really, really amazing. Really old drawings on the walls here. Now we are up at that slightly higher building, so you can get up there. Pretty cool. This was a quick tour of this fort, but we do have to go to another fort, and they all close at 6 p.m. sadly, and this was a late docking day, so we are headed to the next one. This is going to be a mile walk on this over to the other fort with this beautiful view of the ocean. Lots of fantastic colors on the buildings. This is really, really cool. So here's the fort right here also, and then they've got this giant basketball court. It's really neat. Wow, really interesting cemetery right here by this other fort. This fort is known for the kite flying because it's this big sloped grassy field. Pretty cool. Great wind too. We have made it. It wasn't too bad, except it's like super, super hot.
Super hot.
They dropped us off at 3:30 right at the peak heat of the day. And now we're at the top. Let's head on in. We're inside the fort now, and they have a beautiful chapel. Here's the central courtyard of the fort as we just came inside. This is so nice, and the ocean is right through there. Wow, now this is a stunning view. Look at this. Amazing. Brian just noticed there's someone walking on those jagged rocks down there. Yikes. This amazing lighthouse was actually added to this fort in the 1800s. That is really cool looking. Another view of this fantastic lighthouse. Amazing views, wow. Bird's eye view of the courtyard from here. Hello, Mr. Iguana. He's on top of the world here. Such a beautiful, beautiful view from here. If you come here, you definitely need to do this fort. It is amazing. Wow, this is so incredible. I mean, look at this. Amazing. You would definitely have quite the vantage point for defense from this point. This is amazing and very protected. They have this little section you can come out on here. You could also pretty easily trip and fall to your death, so be careful. But this view is incredible. I feel like I've said that 100 times, but this is amazing. It's just stunning. Little sailboat out there. There's a really big cargo ship that just left the port. Shows you just how close we are. Beautiful cloud formation right over the fort. Okay, this was absolutely an incredible experience. Highly recommend it. Definitely come here if you are in San Juan. Architecture here is beautiful. Brian said he just saw a kitty cat. Oh, I see it too. It's pretty far away now. We'll get closer. Oh, what a pretty kitty. We've already seen like 3. Here's a very interesting statue right outside the fort. Another very interesting statue. This brick is a unique feature of Old San Juan. It has to do, the blue color comes from what they use to make it. Pretty neat looking. If you don't mind walking up hills and you don't have any mobility issues, this is a very walkable port city. We got off the ship, able to walk everywhere that we wanted to go. We haven't had to take a taxi or anything. They also do have a free shuttle here, I understand, though. Very interesting. Is that a cat with a fish? Let's take a closer look. Yeah, a cat with a mask and a fish. I don't know. Leave a comment below. More of this incredibly beautiful colored brick roadway. And look at this. This is just stunning. What a beautiful place. Aren't you pretty? Oh, you're shy. Here's the inside of this beautiful, beautiful cathedral. Amazing. Fantastic architecture. You can tell we're getting closer, I think, to where we started. Definitely getting more crowded. Hi. I had a lot of fun doing this self-guided tour around San Juan. Highly recommend. It's definitely a great walking city to enjoy and tons of history. So we're headed back to the ship now. We're gonna have fun tonight on the ship. And we're back to our beautiful ship. This has been an awesome day, but I'm ready to get back in there, have some fun. Oh, look, cold towels and oh, some fruit water, nice. Pretty cool, we're docked right next to this MSC Seaside. Incredible, it's bigger than our ship. Got some fun looking water slides too. We went to the room to freshen up, chugged a bunch of water, and now we came down to Craft Social. Brian got the Le Fin de Mon, and I got a Don Julio on the rocks. Stopped at the buffet and I got roast beef right over here, pork, roasted potatoes, and Brussels sprouts, and I also got a side salad. And Brian's grabbing his food right now. We've got this great view. I don't think it'll focus outside, but the moon looks amazing and we can still see San Juan. Brian's back, he's got a side salad, and what else did you get over there?
Salmon burger, fish curry, some dal, and some kind of potato salad.
Yum. I'm gonna jump into the jacuzzi. There's the other ship over there. I can wave at them while I'm in the jacuzzi. This has been a fantastic day, but after this day, this feels amazing. The Solarium is really beautiful at night too. I love the lighting in here, and I love this water feature. There's Brian and the other cruise ship. Here's the main pool tonight, and they're gonna have a moonlight party, but you dress in all white, which I didn't know about, so we don't have all white. Full moon party, Brian just corrected me, and so we don't have the clothes for it, but it looks like it's gonna be a fun time. I love these sort of moon effects that they have up here on the ship, and they have those every night. That's not just for this full moon party, but pretty cool. We've decided to start a brand new tradition. Each time we visit a place we haven't been before, get a magnet. So we got this one today from the fort, which was awesome. We had such an awesome day today. San Juan was awesome. Great time on the ship. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to click on the video on your screen right now. And also, if you enjoy this travel content, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss anything. Until our next adventure,